Hi guys and welcome. Hope you're ready to explore the exciting world of AI images and learn how to use them to create substantial earning opportunities. In this video, we'll break down the basics of artificial intelligence and show you how to start profiting from this cutting-edge technology right today.
Have you heard about DrawAnyOneAI? This fantastic AI-based tool allows you to create custom portraits of anyone you want in any way you can imagine. It uses a combination of 5 to 10 photos of the person to create a unique AI portrait customized to your specifications. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You can even customize your AI portraits with all sorts of fun cues. For example, you can have Jesus riding a unicorn walking on a rainbow in the jungle, or portrait with oscillated colors with sharp dark comic outlines. The tool is all about giving you the freedom to let your imagination run wild. But that's not all. DrawAnyOneAI also has a community page where you can see portraits that other users have created and shared. It's cool to see all the different styles and techniques people come up with. You can even create AI portraits of your pets. How awesome is that? The portraits created with DrawAnyOneAI are just breathtaking. They come in various styles and techniques, such as digital portraits, pop art paintings, and even oil on canvas. And the resulting AI portraits are highly detailed, with vivid colors and intricate details that will make your jaw drop. Some of the portraits created by DrawAnyOneAI are just incredible. For example, there's a colorful portrait by KAWS, airbrushed on canvas in pastel colors and cel shading, 8K Pixar style. Or how about a portrait of a mythical folks demon with ornate and intricate facial features, a flowing and smoky design, symmetrical and sharp focus and bright colors. This portrait was created using Unreal Engine and Octane Render with elements of anime art and non-Nodoroid figures by the Good Smile Company. There are also portraits of toy figures with intricate detail, atmospheric lighting, bokeh and photographic realism in 4K. And if you're in the mood for something a little more fantastical, there's a portrait of an ugly monster with spikes on his body, purple skin, and gold armor against a battlefield backdrop. Artists create these portraits like Greg Rutkowski, Dan Mumford, Art Gurm, and Peter Moorbacher with great detail, sharp focus, and alien elements. If you're an art lover, you'll appreciate the portraits featured on popular art platforms like ArtStation and DeviantArt. There are garbage portraits, hyper-realistic paintings of attractive men, pictures of genies with Islamic tattoos, a handsome man in a leather harness, and even a highly detailed, retrofuturistic cyborg infographic from Popular Mechanics magazine. And that's not all. There are portraits of origami paper sculptures, a highly detailed and ultra-realistic illusion of St. Sebastian's martyrdom, a realistic image with fangs and long hair, a statue of a necromancer with a cyberphone, a two-color trippy conceptual illustration of 1960s LSD, a portrait of a Victorian-era master, and even a tourist visiting lizard man cultists. Last but not least, there's a neon light sign in the shape of a gorgeous woman with a detailed face, hyper-realistic and studio quality. This tool truly has something for everyone, and I can't wait to see what you can create with DrawAnyOneAI. Have you heard about Pictodream.com? It's an AI-powered tool that lets you turn yourself into a personalized digital image or even create an image of someone else. All you have to do is upload 10 to 20 photos of yourself or the person you want to create an image of. The AI will do the rest. The generated images are pretty cool. They can be used as your profile pictures, printed on canvas, or given as gifts to your loved ones. And the best part is that it's super simple to use. Just follow the steps and let the AI do its magic. The training process can take up a few hours, so you can relax, grab a coffee or go for a walk, and when it's done, you'll receive an email notification. Then you can get creative and create the most stunning images of yourself using the site's gallery of tips for inspiration. I know you're concerned about privacy, and so is Pictodream.com. They understand the importance of keeping your personal information secure, and that's why all the photos you upload are deleted from the server after 1 month. The site includes detailed information about privacy policies and terms of service, and if you have any questions, the contact information is readily available. The AI technology behind Pictodream.com is genuinely cutting edge. It uses deep learning algorithms to analyze the photos you upload and generate a digital image that resembles you or the person you're trying to create an image of. The generated image is so realistic, it will blow your mind. You'll be able to see how you would look with different hairstyles, outfits, and even accessories. It's like a virtual try-on without having to try anything on physically. But that's not all. The possibilities are endless with Pictodream.com. You can use the generated image as your new profile on your social media platforms and watch as your friends and followers react in awe. Or you can print the image on canvas and hang it on your walls. It's a unique and personalized piece of art that will brighten up any room. Another great thing about Pictodream.com is that it's a fantastic gift option. Imagine giving your friend or loved one a beautiful digital image of themselves printed on canvas. It's a thoughtful and personal gift that they'll treasure forever. So go ahead and try Pictodream.com. It's a fun, light-hearted way to play with your imagination and see yourself in a new light. I guarantee you'll have a blast. Do you want to spend hours or even days creating icons for your app or website? I have the perfect solution for you. App Icons AI. This fantastic platform uses AI to generate professional and attractive icons in just a few clicks. It's as easy as 1, 2, or 3. The platform is simple and intuitive, following a 3-step process that will have you creating up to 6 different designs, cropping and previewing them, and scaling them to 2048 on 2048 in no time. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, App Icons AI is designed to be used by everyone and comes with various pricing plans to suit your needs. The free plan offers 5 icon designs, perfect for personal use, while the most popular program provides 100 icon designs, allowing you to create icons for your commercial app. And the best part, all icons generated by App Icons AI are available in SVG format, making them suitable for iOS and Android apps, so you can have peace of mind knowing that your icons will look great on all platforms. Not only does App Icons AI save you time and effort, but it also eliminates the need for technical skills or image editing software. With 6 different design options, you're sure to find the perfect look for your app. And with the ability to scale your icons up to 2048 on 2048, you can ensure that they will look crisp and clear on all devices. There are various pricing plans, including a free program that offers 5 icon designs for personal use only. And if you're looking to use the icons commercially, paid programs provide more credits and procedures, including the most popular plan, which offers 100 icon designs. All the icons generated by App Icons AI are available in SVG format, making them suitable for Android and iOS platforms. In conclusion, if you're looking for a quick and easy way to create attractive, professional-looking icons for your app, look no further than App Icons AI. Its user-friendly interface, variety of pricing plans, and ability to generate icons for Android and iOS platforms make it the perfect solution for everyone, from beginners to professionals. So why wait? Start creating stunning icons today. Have you heard about Swallow, the artificial intelligence-based image recognition platform? It's the perfect solution for all pet owners who want to learn about their furry friends. It's got 3 amazing apps: the dog scanner, the cat scanner, and the horse scanner. As you probably already know, pet owners often have no idea what breed their furry friends are. But with Swallow, you'll get accurate and specific information about your pet in seconds. And it's not just for pure breeds. The AI technology used in these apps is so advanced, it can identify mixed breeds too. The dog scanner and cat scanner apps have already been installed more than 13,700,000 times, and the company identifies an average of 1.9 million animals each month. That's pretty impressive. The horse scanner is a new addition to the product portfolio and is expected to receive just as much love as the other 2. Swallow's ultimate goal is to achieve universal recognition of animals and increase knowledge about global biodiversity. That's why it has partnered with Snapchat, so users can now identify dog breeds directly from the Snapchat camera. So far, the feedback from users has been overwhelmingly positive. They love the app's accuracy and ease of use. And with the new social feed feature, pet owners can share their discoveries with the community and connect with other pet owners. Sure, let me add a little more detail to make it even more enjoyable. Have you ever been to dog park and wondered what breed that cute pup playing with your dog is? Or have you ever seen a horse and wondered what breed it is or what its characteristics and traits are? Well, now you can find it out. With Sualo, you can identify any animal with just a few taps on your smartphone. It's that easy. Sualo's top-notch AI technology can identify a pet's breed in real time. This means you won't have to wait long to find out what breed your furry friend is. The app can identify mixed breeds, which can be a real challenge for even the most experienced pet owners. Not only is Sualo an accurate tool for identifying pet breeds, but it's also designed to be user-friendly. The app is simple to use and the interface is intuitive. This means that even those who are not tech-savvy can use the app with ease. Pet owners can also connect with other pet owners through the social feed feature. You can share your pet's breed information and photos and connect with other pet owners who have pets of the same breed. This is a great way to find out more about your pet's breed and connect with other pet owners who share your interests. Sualo is a fantastic solution for pet owners who want to learn about their furry friends. With its 3 apps, Dog Scanner, Cat Scanner, and Host Scanner, you'll get accurate breeding information in seconds, and the social feed feature allows you to connect with other pet owners. It's the perfect tool for increasing global biodiversity knowledge and achieving universal animal recognition. Have you heard about DreamPick AI yet? It's a fantastic platform that lets you turn your ordinary photos into personalized works of art. And the best part, it's all done through artificial intelligence. Here's how it works. First, upload 10-30 photos of yourself, or someone else if you want, to the platform. Then you pick from a wide range of styles, including everything from celebrities to art deco, from African shamans to comic soccer players. You can suggest your custom style if you have a specific vision. Once you've picked your style, the DreamPick AI platform uses advanced technologies like Stable Diffusion and Dream Booth to train a neural network on your photos. This creates a model that can generate new images in your chosen style. And trust me, the results are excellent. So what can you do with these personalized images? Well, the sky's the limit. You can download and share the photos on social media, use them as your new profile picture, or even use them for commercial purposes. And because the platform is fee-based, you can be sure that your photos and information are kept safe and secure. Now I know you might be thinking, but what if I want to try a different style later? Don't worry, DreamPick AI has got you covered. You can reuse or download the trained model and create images in as many different styles as you like. The possibilities are endless. And that's not all. DreamPick AI is constantly adding new styles to its list, so you'll always have options. Whether you're into futuristic cyberpunk, vintage steampunk, or the latest pop art trends, you'll find it all here. And if you don't, suggest a new style, and who knows, it might end up being the next big thing. Another great thing about DreamPick AI is that you can create images of anyone you like. Maybe you have a friend who always wanted to be a comic soccer player, or perhaps you have a family member who wants to see themselves as a Greek deity. With DreamPick AI, you can make those dreams a reality. So whether you're an artist, a creative mind, or just someone who wants to have fun, DreamPick AI is the perfect platform. With its easy-to-use interface and cutting-edge technology, you'll be able to turn your ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art in no time. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to express yourself or want some creative severe fun, DreamPick AI is the perfect platform. Try it out today and see what amazing images you can create.